Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit the like button, also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about 8 surprising ways to make an extra $1,000 a month. So make sure to watch the full video. For many people, learning how to make an extra $1,000 a month could mean the difference between barely scraping by and putting money away for retirement. If you break it down, an extra $1,000 per month is about $33 per day or $12,000 per year. Whether you have a full-time job and are looking for a side hustle or need to make a little extra money from home to support your family, there are many opportunities available. I've always found it easier to make more money than to become an extreme frugalist, which is why I love talking about side hustles and earning extra income. In this video, we'll focus on ideas that will allow you to make an extra $1,000 per month or more, but are flexible enough to do in your spare time. 1. Become a virtual bookkeeper from home. Becoming an online bookkeeper is one of my favorite side hustle or full-time hustle ideas. I am probably biased because it's been on my short list of business ideas to try for myself for a while now. I love the idea of helping small business owners track their finances and keep their books in order. Most entrepreneurs go into business because they are passionate about the product or service they are offering, but they are not necessarily passionate about running the actual business behind the scenes. That's where you come in and can offer bookkeeping and even CFO or business advisory services to keep them on track to grow their business. If you like numbers, balancing your checkbook is that still a thing, and helping people, bookkeeping could be a great fit. And by serving a niche market like real estate investors or online business owners, for example, you can charge $60.80 an hour or more for your time. Even at $60 an hour, you would be able to make an extra $1,000 with less than 5 hours of work per week. You could achieve that with 3 to 4 smaller clients or even just one large client. 2. Combine a few small side hustles. If you're just getting started in the side hustle game, it can feel a little daunting to go from $0 to $1,000. In that case, I always recommend starting small to build momentum and scale up from there. One of the easiest ways to earn an extra $1,000 per month is to combine several different side hustles that may not make that much on their own. There are tons of easy ways to make an extra $20 fast or even $100 or $200 a month. By tackling several of these smaller ideas, the income can add up throughout the month. 3. Make $1,000 a month freelancing. Freelancing is a very broad term, but at its core, freelancing is just using skills you already have to help other people and get paid in the process. Freelancing can be a great way to make a good hourly rate and start making money quickly by offering your services to people you already know. If you're not sure what skills you have, ask around to friends, family, and coworkers. Maybe you're a spreadsheet whiz, a great motivator, or gifted at graphic design. Depending on your skill set, you can make anywhere from $20 to $100 plus per hour as a freelancer. And the work is generally flexible, so you can fit it into your own schedule. I think a reasonable figure to aim for is $50 per hour. At $50/hour, you would only need to work 20 hours a month to make an extra $1,000. 4. Blogging your way to $1,000 a month online. Oh, here we go. Of course, the blogger recommends blogging to make extra money. It's so easy, anyone can go from 0 to 6 figures in less than a year. Well, hold on just a second. I am not here to sell you any false ideas about blogging. Can you make a lot of money? Yes, eventually. Is it a lot of work to get started? For sure. I started the blog you're reading right now in 2018. I was looking to make some extra money, but I also wanted to share my journey toward financial independence and help others do the same. One of my favorite things about blogging is you can start a blog on almost any topic that interests you, whether that's personal finance or houseplants or woodworking. I love blogging, and I think it can be a great way to earn an extra $1,000 a month or even make $10,000 a month or more. But it's a long-term game. You probably won't make much, if any, money the first few years as you push out content and grow your audience. 5. Virtual assistant. Another great place to start on your side hustle journey as a beginner is by making extra money as a virtual assistant. This is a very broad category with lots of areas you can specialize in depending on your skill set. What does a virtual assistant do? Almost anything you can think of. Business owners need help with all kinds of tasks such as email, answering phone calls, marketing, etc. Generally, the more you can specialize in a specific skill, the more you can make. The possibilities are endless. Gina Horkey built her VA business to over 6 figures and now teaches others how to get started with their own VA business. This can be a very flexible side hustle where you can work from anywhere on your own terms. 6. Selling on eBay. Are you good at finding deals? Do you like scouring estate sales and thrift stores for hidden treasure? If so, reselling on eBay or another online platform could be a great way to make some extra cash. This is another super flexible side hustle where you can work on your own terms. To get started, you just need to have a source of items that are potentially profitable, such as from a garage sale, thrift store, or even Facebook Marketplace. You then flip these items and resell them for a profit. Once you learn a niche, you can pretty easily spot a deal. For example, my friend Nathan was able to pick up a free box of electronic parts at a garage sale and sell it for over $700. While that's not a typical deal, it's not that uncommon either. It would probably take you a few months to build up your inventory to be able to get to $1,000 a month, but it's certainly a viable way to make extra money, and some people even do it full-time. 7. Invest in real estate. Real estate investing was my very first side hustle, so it holds a special place in my heart. I prefer to think of it as real estate entrepreneurship rather than investing. Many people think it's completely passive, and it can be. But by treating it like a business instead of purely an investment, you can really learn to make some serious income. I got my start by buying rental properties that cash flowed every month. On average, each of my rentals brings in $300 per month in cash flow, plus additional benefits like appreciation and mortgage paid on by the tenant. With just 3 or 4 rental units, you could easily cash flow $1,000 per month or more. 8. Proofreading. Are you good at catching spelling mistakes and bad grammar? See what I did there? With the amount of written and online content exploding, there is a huge demand for proofreaders to clean up this content before publishing. Caitlin Pyle was able to make over $40,000 per year as a proofreader and now teaches others how to do the same. This is a great opportunity to have a side income making extra money with flexible hours and the ability to work from home. Especially for stay-at-home moms or dads or teachers looking to make money during the summer, this could be a viable idea that allows you to work on your terms. If you'd like to join a group chat with thousands of like-minded individuals who help each other out and give business advice, click the link in the description. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.